I'm Jeremy and living in Kentish Town in northwest London, just near to Hampstead Heath. We moved here in the summer, so it's been a few months now, and it's a great part of town. When we moved in, hadn't really quite noticed how much noise there was around and about, and it was quite noisy, and so pretty quickly wanted to make some changes, and noise reduction windows really seemed like the right way to go. So I did quite a lot of research online, and actually there's some pretty ugly solutions out there, and I really wanted something that would look nice and suit the look of the house. And Hugo Carter popped up pretty much standalone. There wasn't really anybody else who compared with them. We looked at secondary glazing, but it's really ugly, and it's fiddly and just not elegant as a solution, whereas the Hugo Carter essentially gave me the same quality and look as the original windows that I had, but with the added benefits. So the actual process of getting measured up and installation and so on was pretty smooth and pretty efficient, actually. I was really impressed. I mean, the guys came and did a site survey, took pictures, took measurements, figured out how they were going to do it, and then we had 2 lots of windows done, and the whole thing was done in 2 days, and really it couldn't have been more painless than it was. It was very smooth. Once the product was actually completed and finished, I was really amazed, actually. I honestly didn't think that it was going to make as much difference as it did. And in fact, I remember sending an email to the company a couple of days later, just slightly sort of over the top probably, but I was really, I've had a great night's sleep ever since, and before that it was really disrupted, so made a big difference. If you live in a city, you're going to have noise, and somehow or other you have to find some solutions to deal with that, and this is the best solution that I've seen. And at the same time, if you're lucky enough to have a house or a property that's you know, good to look at, then you want to preserve those values, and you want to preserve that look and feel. Hugo Carter is kind of like the logical conclusion, and really there weren't very many other people offering anything like the quality. And yeah, you pay a bit over the odds, but actually it's really worth it.